Hello, this is Sangram Patil working on a final project of week 5 part 2. Now I have chosen here city Toronto and I want to check whether it is possible to start a new business in Toronto. Now to check this, first of all I have worked on a crime rate and also with the help with population also. I am checking population and crime rate, and for this crime rate I am checking only the drugs and murder, because if drugs are more, if people are having more drugs, then it is not possible to get a good employee in that. Okay, and also I am checking whether coffee shop and all other restaurants are there which are running. If the city is safe, then there are more coffee shops or pizza shops and all. This is what I think. I have taken a Toronto city. Though I am from the India, I have taken this Toronto city because it is a very easy to get the Toronto data, and this is from where I got the Toronto data. Now these all files are this population of Toronto, the neighborhoods of Toronto, crime rates or crime rates of Toronto's, and then the geographical places of the Toronto where we can get coffee shop, pizza, and all these things, cinema house and all. Those all files I have got from the open source Toronto, and that's why I have choose this Toronto file. Okay, and these all files I have downloaded as a CSV and all. I have also downloaded, I have also used Foursquare developer access to get the facilities provided in that particular cities, that the city which is which I want to check in Toronto and all. I have done PPTs for the same also for the explanation. So here are some PPTs. I have already uploaded the I have already uploaded the project, and week 5 presentation. So this is a presentation. First I have downloaded all the libraries, required libraries. Then this I was having simple.json file. I got this file from the internet. I tried last time also, but this mapping and plotting the data on a map is what it was not working in previous my attempt. And now I found that this GeoJSON file I have to convert into the JSON, and this so in and it works. I don't know how it works, but this works for me. So this GeoJSON file which I got for the coordinates of Toronto and all, that GeoJSON file I converted into the JSON file first for the further use. Okay, then I have fetched this Toronto neighbor city crime.xls file here to display this. Now this is a regular code is different to read the data, but I have done this into the IBM Watson Studio. So this first three lines are ready-made given by the studio file to fetch the data from XLS file, and this is the data which I have got for the crimes to find out the crimes in a Toronto city. Then from that crime, initially I have taken neighbors and totals, number of crimes, to just plot this number of crimes to work number of crimes for per city wise. Okay, and this column name is changed to the crime count here, nothing else is done. This neighborhood column is changed and crime column, this column name is changed. Then to plot this on a graph of a Toronto, that is where I am get number of crimes. Depending upon the number of crimes, I want to divide the map of this Toronto city. So initially I fetched the location of the Toronto city, and then I plot the graph like this Toronto city, and then this crime data I plotted this on Toronto city, and it looks like me this. Okay, and here I have taken minimum and maximum count, and minimum count is 487, maximum count is 6669, and it is placed and shaded colors are shown on this Toronto. Then I have checked the crimes also. Okay, I have checked the crime data. These are the cities and these are the locations of the cities. IDs are given, not location, IDs are given, and these are the crimes which are taken. So this is the city, total number of crimes 4988. This is the city, total number of crimes 29995. So here I have taken only drug arrest and murders and total. So this is the data against the city, particular city neighborhood, and I tried to plot this graph, and I have displayed only 20 cities, because there are more cities, so this becomes a complicated. So I have selected only few cities to display the data in a graph. Okay, and now I have checked drug arrest cities having drug arrest more than 50, like this drug arrest. Okay, and that I am plotting here drug arrest. Okay, in the number of cities, and now I am combining this both into the single one. Okay, now this is the population I am checking for the cities. So these are the population of the cities and the number of crimes. Then this is against, I have plotted this the population, and then this is the number of crime. So if we check here, population is more, so number of crime is more. So if number of crime is more, these cities are not benefited to start the business. This is why I learned. Now next, to find out the other facilities present within the city, I have used a Foursquare web portal, and this is my client ID and secret ID, and this is the version, and I'm sending the longitude and latitude to get the neighbor cities. Okay, so and then after getting this all the data, I have grouped depending upon the category. Okay, I have grouped this depending upon a category first. It might possible that in one venue we have multiple options, like in city XYZ we can have coffee shop, we can have theater, we can have a pizza shop, we can have McDonald's and all. So now after category checking this data, venue wise how many venues are there, I have checked group wise also. Okay, and total data group after processing this all, I have not pasted here because this is a lengthy part, so I have not given here the code. So after this grouping venue ID and category wise, I am getting this number of, so if we consider 33 venues, we I have 258 columns, and now this data is present after the grouping. Now this venues, from this venues, if you check this, here we have 258 options in each row. So from this 258, I have selected only top 5. So top 5, this is what you call as a percentage wise and all. So from each I have taken first 5. Okay, and now this is clustered, sorry, this is clustered over here category wise. I have clustered this, and this clustered data I am showing here. So more number of clusters, that means more facilities are there, and this more facility indicates we can start our business over here depending upon our requirement. Okay, this is a presentation of my project. Please go through it and give the proper marks. Thank you very much.